My name is Yasser Rafi. I'm head of IT service delivery at Nottingham Clollege. I'm part of the senior leadership from CMT. So I had the IT service delivery for the college, which strategically sits under MIS IT and funding directorate. My remit is more or less boots on the ground. Anything which moves, anything which needs responsibility support, that comes under the support of service delivery. Now that could be our service desk where the staff comes in, and that could be 400 plus staff rooms, libraries, LapSafe, labs, specialist labs, innovation labs.
My name is John Lord. I'm the Assistant Principal for Curriculum Innovation at Nottingham Clollege. LapSafes have been used extensively across the college to provide accessibility to devices outside of the classroom, and that's a flexible approach throughout the day.
As a college, we have 8,500 asset devices, and that's a mixture of staff and students. But out of that, I think we have about 3,500 laptops which you serve through LapSafe, either a diplomat unit or a trolley. And that's a big estate, and that's separate from our specialist labs. So it's a big remit to look after on a daily basis. When I joined the college back in January 2020, the college was already on their roadmap to implement our strategy of moving away from PCs to LapSafe, and they had approached LapSafe to start off the project on a new building. And that kind of worked well. We saw the pilot study of that. So moving on from there, when we developed our further strategy, we really wanted to find and check that if LapSafe were at the scale which we can grow with us. A few conversations, and there we are 6-7 years down the road, and we have implemented more laptop trolleys plus LapSafes in the college, and strategically that have really helped our core values.
Strategically, my advice is work with LapSafe, because actually what this does enable is it enables students to come onto campus, to connect in the community of campus, but also have access to digital devices out 24/7 effectively. That synergy is where we need to get to, and where you need to get to as a college.
When you talk about digital inclusivity, it's not about having a device. It's about having a device which can function the way they need to be functioned for the student to learn and develop for the world outside. So that's inclusivity. Having a diplomat unit which can work on the heights, which can work on an element if someone's coming with a wheelchair or any other hidden disability, it should just work seamlessly for them, just exactly like someone who doesn't have it. And that part is very important. And we have really taken consideration of that to make sure the device is available at the right height, right place, right locations. If someone is, if we have a strategic classroom which needs a special help, we will make sure the device or laptop trolley is available in that area for them to. College's mission statement is we unlock potential through learning. And with that is putting digital first. And with that means it shouldn't have any hurdle in any way, shape or form to perform that task for students for teaching and learning.